things we're gonna try out tonight is cook some dinner. We got some meat here, some lamb chops, and I also got this TV that I'm gonna hook up and watch some TV on here. I got the insulated window coverings on. Heater's going off, and I'll cover the front windshield up. It's a cold one today, and it looks like it's gonna go all the way down to minus 37 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna see how this heater keeps us warm in the van tonight. Spend the night in some extreme cold. I'm gonna start charging this drone battery with the Yeti. So what I do have is this TV. Now, it would be just fine right here, but I'm thinking if I can hang it. What we have here is a 42-inch TV, and it's pretty light. I'd say only about like, I don't know, 10 pounds. Got a couple of screws there. Got some paracord here. Tie that there. Tie one here. Should be able to hang it. Yeah, should be able to hang it off these hooks here. One up there. And one up there. Plug it into the AC side. So with that all set up, now I can get to cooking the meal. Alright, so this is going to be a real test for this heater. It's been going on high the whole time. As you can hear it, it's really warm. I can warm my feet up. Temperature right now is saying 11 degrees Celsius. Let's get to cooking. And I got some lamb chops here. We're going to spend the night in the van. If this heater can keep me warm in here in minus 37 degrees Celsius weather. Alright, for extra insulation, I got these insulated window coverings on, but I got two more for the front windows, and I think we're gonna need them because it's really cold outside. try this out. Cheers. It's medium rare. Lamb chops with some potato mushroom. I just pretty much wing this all together. So with the cooking, we're actually up to 18 degrees Celsius in here now, but I can still feel the cold from the outside. It's I think it's the coldest we've hit this winter. So these lamb chops actually came up pretty good. Now that I'm not cooking anymore, the cold is coming back in, and the heater actually just kicked back on, back onto high mode. It's probably gonna be going on all night, and it's gonna be putting this heater to the test, see if it can survive the coldest night of the winter. So right now we're at minus 31 degrees Celsius, and it's gonna get down to minus 37 degrees Celsius. This is gonna be the true test of the van tonight. I actually forgot I had the fan still exhausting, so it was taking all the hot air out. Yeah, that's why it was getting cold so fast. That max air fan was venting out all our hot air. So the garlic chunks came out a little crispy because I put them on at first and the heat was high, but everything else came out good. And there's actually ice. Yeah, this is ice. There's ice forming on the inside. That's how cold it is outside. Probably go for a walk out there and see how it looks out there in a bit before I settle in and watch a movie or a show. I'm parked up at a truck stop where all the truckers are spending the night here, and I'll be joining them for the night. Alright, we're all cleaned up here, and it is so cold, but why am I doing this? It's because I gotta see if this van, is built for the test. I'm always thinking about, what if? You gotta be prepared. What if your power went out in your house? What if I had to live in the van? Did I insulate it properly? Will it keep me warm in the coldest of nights? Will the heater keep running? Will it fail when it's this cold and it has to run this long? Putting this machine to the test will give me confidence if I ever do, get stranded or have to be in a last ditch resort to survive in extreme temperatures. But yeah, I don't even want to go outside because I know how cold it is out there. But yeah, let's go check it out. Wind chill values of minus 35 to minus 40. I feel for the people that are actually homeless and gotta live outside. How would you do that? I'm gonna go venture outside there right now and see how cold this actually is. I'm gonna put the Canada Goose back on. This on. Yeah, we might even need the goggles on. Yeah, so it is extremely cold, and all these truckers here, it's so cold. It's that kind of cold it hurts to breathe in because it's so cold. You see all these other guys, these guys are all living in their vans, in their trucks tonight, in their sleepers. They're all lined up. You can't have your bare hand out there because it's so cold. But I gotta get back in this van. let's hope this diesel heater goes through the night. Oh man, that's crazy. That is so cold. This is like a fireplace right now. This heater. Well, I just filled up gas and I parked here. So in the morning when I turn it on, hopefully it will turn on because it's so cold outside, that we'll see how much gas the diesel heater ate for the whole night, if we make it through the night. So I just tried to pop the drone out and it had a full battery. It went up for like 10 seconds and it came back down saying critical low battery. It flew back down. It's so cold out there that the drone won't even fly right now. So I guess I'm just gonna be watching a little movie and call it a night. I don't know. It's crazy cold out there. Alright, so it's bedtime. Probably change up the lighting in here. Dim it up with the night light. And I'll go blue or green or red. Who knows? I like this color. Alright, so calling it a night for me. I dim these lights down. Which color am I using here? Alright, let me dim these lights down. And I'm gonna crash and hopefully I'll see you guys in the morning.
A few hours later.
Alright, so you can see that the red light is on and it says flame lost. I don't know if we'll come on again, but alright, so an update on how last night went. I didn't make it through the night because the heater went off. The heater went off, and this is the reason why. It says flame lost. I'm gonna try to start it again, but it got really cold last night and I had to leave. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this in. I don't know if it was just too cold, but it shouldn't go off because it's that cold. I don't know why this carbon monoxide detector is going off, but it's -10 in here, and possibly the water lines are frozen. Yep, water line is frozen. Try starting this heater back up. But last night wasn't a success. I could have started the van, have it run all night, but I just decided to drive back home. So the heater's back up and running, but I'm gonna run it for a bit and see if the flame goes out again. It's been about 10 minutes. Checked up on it again, and it seems like the diesel heater went out again. Flame lost. That is not good. Try to start it up again. Pretty upsetting. I'm gonna have to take it in to the shop and have them look at it, because it should not be losing flame for whatever reason. So I'm gonna have to end this video and find out what is the problem.